Good morning, my dear mathletes. Today we will discuss about light and shadow questions. Light and shadow. This is the sun. So sun rays are parallel at any instance. We know already this concept. Suppose this is the ground, right? This is the ground, and this parallel sun rays are parallel. Now see them. For example, there is a person, height 1.65 meters, right? And here is building is there. Building height is we don't know. Building, this is any altitude. Building, tree, tower, electrical pole, whatever it is, this is altitude, right? Altitudes stands vertical to the ground. Person also stands vertical to the ground, so both are right angles. And the lines are sun rays are parallel at the same area, same time. Means, for example, Khammam, time 8:30 a.m. The Khammam latitudes. So 8:30 a.m. the sun rays are parallel at the same time in HYD, Hyderabad. Comparison of Khammam sun rays and Hyderabad sun rays at the time of 8:30, they are not parallel. The same area, the same time, the sun rays are parallel. They will make equal angles. So that this is the sun ray, this is the sun ray. It gives both are equal angles. Both are equal angles. So these two are equal. We can prove it both are similar triangles. So for example, this due to the sun rays, the person's shadow is 2.5 meters. Due to the sun rays, the person and the building shadow is for example 650 meters. So what is the height of this building? We must calculate now, right? Right, we'll prove it now. A, B, C, P, Q, and R. Now, triangle ABC, triangle PQR, reason. Now, say B equals to Q. B is equals to Q. Reason is 90 degrees. And C equals to R. Reason, sun rays are parallel at any instance. Now next is triangle BC remaining is A, similar to triangle QRP. BC remaining A, similar to QR remaining is P. Let me complete the angles. B remaining AC here, AB angle here, PR is here, QP. That's it. A similarity, right? Now I should write the corresponding sides are in proportion, right? BC by QR equals to CA by RP equals to BA by QP. Let me invert the values. BC by QR. BC by QR 2.5 by 650. 2.5 by 650 equals to CA by RP. CA RP not given, so no need. Next value is AB by PQ. So 1.65 meters by X. So 1.65 by X. So let us complete this calculation part. Okay, now see it. Go with cross multiplication method. So 2.5 into X equals to 650 into 1.65 meters. Then send it. X equals to 650 into 1.65 by 2.5. Right? Here one more thing. Here these are not like decimals. Right? So we need to count it as a fraction part. So 650 into 165 by 100 by 25 by 10. Right? Here 0 0 it cancel. Right? Here 5 5 0, here 5 2 0. Next step, 65 into 165 by 5 by 2 into 10. Here 10 is remaining now. So here 10 is getting here. Now see that. Next calculation, 210 250. Right? 510 5 13 0, 510 5 3 0 15, 5 3 0 15. Right? Next, so 13 into 33. Do this calculation, you will get answer here. That's it. Now let us invite a mirror concept. Mirror concept means, see once, it is simple. It is a ground, right? There is a person, right? And one more here, building here, one tower is there. Tower, right? Tower, right? It is tower height is, we don't know, X, right? And the person vertical to the ground, stands vertical to the ground 90 degrees, and the towers also makes right angle with ground, right? And so we need to find out the height of the tower, the technique of the mirror, right? This person adjusting the mirror on the ground, suppose here the point of the place, the mirror, he is observing the top of the tower in this mirror. So he is looking towards the mirror, so that he is getting the top of the tower in the mirror, right? That means this is angle of incident I is equals to angle of reflection R. So now see that we'll get one triangle here. That's what, see, his height is 1.5 meters, and the person to mirror distance is it is 3.5 meters. The mirror to tower distance is 1550 meters. Then what is the height of the tower? That is the concept of the mirror. See, it clear? The person is observing the top of the tower in this mirror. So here we got the four parts: height of the person, height of the tower, and distance between person to mirror and mirror to tower. This is, so let me take the values letters A, B, C and D, E, right? Here angle of incident is equals to angle of reflection. That we good concept. Then take the triangles A, B, C, triangle DC, and write the reason, right? The next, so B equals to D, B equals to D, reason right angle 9 degrees, and C equal to C, C equal to C, reason I is equals to R, or angle of incident is equals to angle of reflection, right? Next one more, it is a triangle BCA, similar to triangle DCE, right? Reason angle similarity. Let me complete these two angles, AC and BA, EC and DE. So corresponding sides are in proportion. Write the values now. So BC by DC and CA by CE and BA by DE. BC by DC. So 3.5 by 1550 equals to CA by CE. CA not there. So take this to 1.5 by x. 1.5 by x. X into 3.5 equals to 1.5 into 1550. So let us do this calculation. This is a task for us by 3.5. Like decimals. So we can remove this like decimals. 15 into 1550 by 35. 5 3s are 5 7s are, right? 3 into 1550 by 7. Multiply these two and divide with 7. You will get an answer here. That's it. See this problem. This is a light and shadow model question, and see this also light and shadow model question, right? Here mirror model question, right? Here light and shadow model question, right? Here it is a mirror model question. So you can do all these type of questions. See here one's question is there. A flagpole 4 meter tall casts 6 meter shadow. So this is a light and shadow model question, right? So you can do these type of problems also easily, right? Simple. A flagpole. So ground flagpole. At the same time he is asking, see once, a flagpole 4 meters tall casts 6 meter shadow. At the same time means suppose 8:30 time. So again 8:30 time. At the same time nearby building. At same time nearby building means same time means I said no, Khammam and Hyderabad. Nearby means Khammam, Hyderabad not nearby, because according to longitude latitudes the sun rays will not parallels. But in Khammam nearby means the same area, same location, right? Nearby buildings, nearby towers. This is they will make parallel lines, right? Parallels. So next nearby and same time. Same time means same timings, 8:30 time or so whatever it is time, same timings and nearby. The same landmark. Building cast. So building. Right? So this is a sun ray of the building. This is a sun ray of the flagpole. This is a 4 meters height. This is 4 meters height. This is x meters. This shadow 6. This shadow 24. We can prove it. Whatever I said on the video now. You can go with. You can find the x value. This is models. See, my dear students. Here similarity. Completely we learned about in the previous videos and today video. First we learned a dumbbell shape, right? This is three models. Anyway, it's a dumbbell shape. For this basic shape, what are the related problems in the textbook 10th class? Page number 211. Try this. First bit first problem, fifth problem. Second bit third problem. In the exercise 8.2, third problem. In the third problem, this is a dumbbell shape. You can prove it. And here also. And one more thing here also. Fifth problem. In that actually this is trapezium question. But in this trapezium, to prove that answer, we must select a dumbbell shape. This is. And next here also see once. Second category basic shape is a triangle inside triangle concept based on these problems, right? In the textbook, these categories. And the third one is today we learned about light and shadow questions. So these are related problems in the textbook, right? And this is a mirror question. These are related problems. Mirror, right? This is a mirror, right? So today we completed similarity concept. Tomorrow we will discuss about Thales theorem. In the next video we will discuss about Thales theorem. Thank you.